How to view your Snapchat scores. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can view your Snapchat scores. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Snapchat scores, or also known as Snap scores, are the number of snaps that you've exchanged with other person on Snapchat. It means the number of snaps you've received and the number of snaps that you have sent together, all in total, is also known as your Snapchat score. This is simply its definition. So what you want to do is just go ahead and then open the Snapchat application. And if you want to view your Snapchat score, you just need to tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and then right under your Bitmoji profile you'll be able to see your Snapchat score. Now, I don't really have a high number. As you can see, I only have 4,108, and that too I just increased it by receiving snaps, not sending, but lots of people just send snaps, so I just increased it by receiving. Now, Snapchat scores just increase gradually as you send it to more people, and then you go ahead and just simply actually receive more snaps and then send more snaps over, and then you should be able to get it to 100k or 200k in no time. If I also tap on it, it says your snap score is this much. It is increases with your snap score increases with each snap you send and receive. So as you can see, I have only 380 snaps sent and 3,718 snaps received. So that's really a huge difference. I'm not really active on Snapchat, but just to give you an idea, this is simply what Snapchat scores really are, and this is where you can find them. That's all it takes to find your Snapchat scores. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.